this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic replies in Outlook. So the first thing you need to do is just open up your Outlook application, and then we're going to click on File in the top navigation and select Automatic Replies. Now you first want to make sure Automatic Replies is turned on by clicking Send Automatic Replies, and if you only want to send automatic replies during a certain time or date, then you can select this option here and then just go and select your date and time from the list. If you want your automatic replies to be always sent no matter the time and date, we're just going to leave this unchecked. And then down in this message box, you'll need to go and type in the automatic reply that you want to leave people. So I'm just going to use this quick message here as an illustration. And once you've entered this message, you'll notice we're currently inside of the Inside My Organization tab. So this is going to send this reply to anyone inside of your business organization, but in most cases, you probably want this reply to be sent out to all of your emails, in which case what you need to do is click on Outside My Organization, and then you just need to copy and paste that exact same message that we just wrote inside of here. You can even type in a different message if you want the reply to be different from inside and outside your organization. You can get a bit more technical and click on Rules at the bottom down here, and then you can create rules to only send these automatic replies to certain contacts, but I'm just going to leave this for the time being and press OK. So now just like that, you can see our automatic replies are turned on, and if at some point you want to turn these back off, just click on the turn off button over here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.